Hello everyone. In this lecture video, we will understand the features of the GreenCloud, which is a cloud simulator developed as an extension of the NS2 packet level network simulator. And it is mainly used to study the energy efficient cloud computing and can monitor the power consumption of cloud components such as servers, switches, routers, and communication devices, helping the researchers to improve energy management in cloud data centers. Now, the features are open source and user-friendly GUI. Next is energy monitoring. Then comes simulation of the cloud network components. Next is improved management, power management, and the last is dynamic management and configuration. So here, first is the GreenCloud is an open source simulator with user-friendly graphical user interface, and it is designed to help students, researchers with a and developers to easily perform cloud computing and network simulators or simulations without needing complex programming knowledge. So here you can see a college student or a researcher, he is using a GreenCloud on a laptop in order to create a cloud data center simulation. So the GreenCloud GUI is it is displayed here with cloud components such as the switches, servers, and the network topology in a visual form, and this graphical representation makes it easier to understand how cloud systems work and how different devices are connected. And the simulator also includes an energy monitoring panel that shows the power consumption of different servers and the switches. For example, here the figure displays the energy usage of server 1, that is 120 watts, server 2, 3, and the switch in watts. So this helps users analyze energy efficient cloud computing techniques. Now on the left side of the interface, it contains options like topology, then node management, configuration, and monitoring tools. So using these features, users can easily manage and modify the cloud simulations. So the overall figure shows that the GreenCloud is simple, interactive, and useful for studying the cloud infrastructure, server performance, and energy consumption in cloud data centers through an easy graphical environment. Next is energy consumption. So here it provides, that is the GreenCloud provides a facility for monitoring the energy consumption of the network and its various components. So it is a cloud simulator which is used to measure how much electrical power is consumed by devices in a cloud data center during the cloud operations. So here we can see different cloud network components such as servers, switch, routers, network devices which are connected through a cloud system. And the GreenCloud continuously monitors the power usage of each of the component. Here the energy monitoring table in this figure shows that the servers consume 800 watts, switches consume 120 watts, router 60 watts, network devices 40 watts. In total, the power consumption is 1020 watts. And here this figure also presents a real-time example where a researcher runs 100 virtual machines simultaneously, and by using GreenCloud, the researcher can analyze how much electricity is consumed when the workload increases. So this helps in understanding which devices consume more power and how the energy efficiency can be improved. So such monitoring is very important in modern cloud computing because data centers consume large amounts of electricity, and it helps researchers and organizations develop better power management techniques, reduce energy wastage, lower operational cost, and build eco-friendly cloud infrastructures with improved energy efficiency. Next is it supports the simulations. So here this GreenCloud, it supports a simulation of the cloud network components in a realistic environment and also allows users to model and test different parts of a cloud data center before building the actual infrastructure. And this helps organizations save time, cost, and resources. Here you can see the GreenCloud simulation environment, which shows various cloud components such as the servers, virtual machines, storage devices, switches, and communication networks. So multiple servers are there which are connected through the network switches, and virtual machines are created on the top of these servers, and the communication network helps in the transfer of data between the different cloud components. So the monitoring panel here on the right side displays the important system information such as CPU usage, memory usage, network traffic, and the power consumption. and this allows users to analyze the performance and efficiency of the cloud system during the simulation. So this example here in the figure shows that there is a company where it uses the simulating a cloud data center with multiple servers here and a network switches before deploying the real infrastructure. So by performing this simulation first, the company can identify the possible issues, test network performance, and optimize resource allocation. So the overall figure demonstrates that the GreenCloud provides a realistic cloud simulation platform where users can study cloud operations, monitor system behavior, improve the network performance, and design efficient cloud infrastructures before actual deployment. Next is improved power management schemes in the cloud computing environment. And here this GreenCloud is used to test the methods that reduce the energy consumption and improve the efficiency of the cloud data centers. So here you can see a researcher or a student is using the GreenCloud simulation software to study the power saving techniques. Now the cloud data center contains multiple servers which are connected through the network switch, and during the high workload conditions all the servers remain active because more computing power is required to handle user requests and applications. Now when the workload becomes low, the GreenCloud automatically identifies some of the servers which are underutilized, and the simulator then applies automatic server shutdown techniques where unnecessary servers are moved into the sleep mode or turned off temporarily, and this will help to reduce the electricity consumption and improve the overall energy efficiency. Now here you have a power monitoring table where total there are 5 servers. Now here suppose there are 5 servers, active servers are 3, sleep servers are 2. So the current power usage is 450 watts, like it was 450 watts, and because out of 5 servers, like when 5 servers were used, it was 450 watts. Now when we are making 2 servers as the sleep servers, or we are shutdowning the 2 servers, then there will be power saved. Suppose the power saved is 250 watts. Now when the workload status here it is low, what we are doing, we are making some of the servers to, we are switching them to the sleep mode. Okay, so here we can see that how a real data center test automatic server shutdown and methods to save the electricity. So overall the image shows that the GreenCloud helps the researchers and the organizers or the organizations design an energy efficient cloud system, then reduce operational cost and support environmentally friendly cloud computing practices. Next is it allows a user to manage and configure devices dynamically in a simulation. So here it means that this GreenCloud, it allows users to manage and configure the cloud services dynamically during the simulation runtime. It means that the administrators can make changes to cloud resources while the simulation is running without stopping them. So here you can see an administrator is using the GreenCloud simulation environment to monitor and manage a cloud data center. So the simulation includes the servers, switches, virtual machines, and network connections. The control panel provides options. Okay, so here it will provide the options to configure the devices, allocate the resources, monitor the performance, manage the systems, and view the logs. So the runtime configuration section here shows that the users can dynamically add or remove the virtual machines and add and adjust the CPU, memory and storage resources according to the workload requirements. So the simulation status panel displays important information such as the network traffic, then CPU usage, memory usage, and the number of active virtual machines. So here one example here you can see, initially the network traffic, the network traffic is normal with only 3 virtual machines running. Suddenly the traffic increases here. This is the normal traffic with only 3 virtual machines. Suddenly the traffic will increase now, causing higher workload on the cloud system. So to handle this demand, the administrator dynamically adds more virtual machines during the runtime. And after scaling 6 virtual machines, earlier there were 3 virtual machines, now it is scaled up to the 6 virtual machines. So after scaling, 6 virtual machines are active and the system successfully manages the high traffic. So overall, here it shows that the Green Cloud supports flexible real-time cloud resource management and dynamic infrastructure configuration. Thank you.